You know what's interesting? I think one of the biggest pressure today is not becoming a better person. It's looking like one. Ang dali ng gumawa ng image ngayon, one static story, Bible verse of bio, gym selfie, isang post tungkol sa pagiging productive mo, and a lot. Subjective kasi yung word na image. Ang lawak niyang term. Ang ibig kong sabihin is simply how people see you, your reputation, your first impression. And before you know it, people already have a version of you in their minds. Meron na talagang, sa kanila. Meron ng ikaw. Kahit hindi ka pa talaga nila kilala. And honestly, anong masama sa pagkakaroon ng magandang image? I'm not saying na image is bad. Hindi ko ginagawang villain ng image. Image actually matters. Reputation, professionalism, credibility. The point is that image should be the result of character, not replacement for it. And yun, kung ako tatanungin, I also want people to trust me. I want to be known as someone who's kind, someone who's genuine, someone who can influence people in a good way. There's nothing wrong with that. Pero habang tumatagal, may isa akong realization na paulit-ulit na bumabalik sa isip ko. Image is what people see. Character is who you really are. And those two aren't always the same. First Samuel chapter 16 verse 7 says, people look at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. It reminds me na pwedeng ma-impress yung tao sa image natin, pero ang Diyos, He always sees deeper. He sees our motives, our intentions, the parts of us that no one else sees. And if you think about it, character usually isn't built in public. It's built in ordinary moments when nobody's clapping, nobody's posting about you, when nobody's giving you a credit. It's built in how you respond when you're frustrated, how you treat the waiter, how you speak to your parents, how you treat the classmate everyone ignores, how you respond to criticism, how you act when no one is watching. Because that's usually where our real character shows in how you treat people. May nabasa akong quote before. It's often attributed to Maya Angelou. Pero this was spoken by Carl W. Boehner na makakalimutan nila ang mga sinabi mo pero hindi nila makalimutan kung paano mo sila pinakitunguhan. Research on memory actually shows that makalimutan ka talaga ng mga tao, mga 70 to 80, ay unti-unti na nalilimutan. Pati nga yung birthday mo na nakailang tanong na eh. Pero somehow, people remember kung pinaramdam mo ba na welcome sila, kung nirespeto mo ba sila, kung pinakinggan mo ba sila, kung naging mabait ka ba sa kanila. Because character lives emotional fingerprints. And honestly, I think that's way more beautiful than having a perfect image. Because image can be edited, character can't. Image can be filtered, character is revealed. The image can attract people, but character is what makes them stay. It's what builds trust. Personally, I realize na ang dami kong energy na ginugugol trying to protect my image. Kapag may misunderstanding, gusto ko ma-explain talaga yung side ko. Kapag may maling impression yung tao sa akin, parang gusto kong i-correct lahat agad. Parang gusto kong patunayan na hindi ako yung iniisip nyo. Hindi ako yung iniisip nyo. And honestly, I think lahat naman tayo ginagawa yan at some point. We want people to see us in the best light. We want our name to stay clean. We don't want to be misunderstood. Pero habang tumatagal na realize ko, sobrang napakapagod pala. Kasi you can control every opinion. You can't explain yourself to everyone. And no matter how genuine you are, there will still be people who misunderstand you. That's just part of life. So instead of spending all my energy protecting my image, I'm learning to protect my character instead. Because if my character stays consistent, I don't have to spend my whole life proving who I am. Eventually, the people who truly know me people see it. So maybe instead of always asking ano kayang tingin nila sa akin, maybe we should also ask sino ba ako kapag walang nakakita. Because that's where character is formed, I believe. Not on stage, social media, not when people is watching, but in the quiet decisions that nobody applauds. And I think that's one of the most beautiful things about following Jesus. Jesus never invited people to simply look righteous. He invited them to become new, to let God transform not just their actions, but their hearts. Because eventually your image will change, your people opinions will change, trends will change, even your appearance will change. But your character, that's what you'll carry wherever you go. And that's the kind of person I hope to become. Not just someone with a good image, but someone whose private life matches the person people see in public. Because one day, people probably won't remember how impressive you looked, but they'll remember how safe they felt around you, how respected they felt, how loved they felt. And maybe that's one of the greatest legacies a person can leave. Legacy is yung iiwanan mo sa dito sa mundo